Alright, so break down the Rock Island 1911. Slide it back to here so you can push this out. As you got a little bit, go ahead and yank it out. Side forward. Now you can't just yank your recoil spring out. It doesn't pop out like a Glock does. At least not on this one. And you don't got the bushel to push in to twist the front like it does on other 1911s. So I literally have to put a piece of metal in this little bitty hole. Keep a little piece of metal with me. So I gotta slide this forward. It's not easy. Hurts. Got doggone recoil. You see the hole? Slide this in there. Put it back on it. Slide right on out. Now the barrel comes forward to come out. And let's break down real quick. Wouldn't call it like a field strip, but I mean it's whatever. Putting back together. That was crazy. Putting back together, same way you took it apart, basically. Slide that in there. Make sure this is back. Like this. See that rides on your barrel. That little part. Slide that back on in there. Slide it forward. Like that. And I'll push it. Take a little metal out. Snap. And then it's just a real quick, easy slide back together. Oh, sorry. Push this up when you do it. I'm going to put this back in there. You want to come up with it so you can hit that little indent also. Always when you want to show somebody some shit. There we go. But it don't want to act right now. Oh. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Come on back down. What we got going on here? Come on out. Okay. Let's see. There we go, right there. Now. Come on in there. There we go. Slide up on there. And you come on back. There we go. There you go.